Not quite sure what's going on. Loot crate. They sent me out my core crate, but it seems FedEx messed it up or something because the tracking, it never shipped. It was always saying it's gonna ship. It's supposed to ship on the 17th, but it didn't. It never did. I contacted them, and they said they were going to be sending me out another crate. This is what I got. This does not look like another core crate. I have no clue what this is. Yeah. Kind of upset. This does not look like $20 worth, 20 something worth. I'm telling you, it's a super tiny crate. What the fuck? Well, why did I get sent this? This is not a core crate. This isn't Loot Crate Investigate. Unless you broke everything and crammed it in this little box.